MyWorld is a government-backed research and development programme in the creative industries here in the west of England. This amazing new facility has only been open 6 months. We like to call it The Sheds. It's part of the University of Bristol. The whole ethos of the approach in the building is to support research and business-led innovation. We make available the latest cutting-edge equipment and then train people in how to use it. It's a real global centre of creative technology innovation. There's a very high-quality virtual production stage, live audio and vision galleries enabling us to do live TV broadcast. We also have the reality emulator, which enables us to visualize and interact with huge amounts of data. And then there's the smart cinema, which is the only facility of its type in Europe. It enables us to gather biometric and physiological information about audiences in terms of how they're reacting to the content that they're looking at. We also have communal areas where people can drop in for hot desking. That hub space is really important in terms of being more accessible to the local community.
Megahertz are a UK-based global systems integrator. We integrate broadcast systems for clients all around the world. The MyWorld project was a really exciting project for us. It was hugely ambitious, particularly because they were trying to do research primarily rather than education, and so they were really pressing the limits of what technology was commercially available. What we loved about the Sony solution was the breadth of product offering. It offered us the Sony Nevion solutions for the ST2110 network, and then very closely integrated vision mixer, cameras, really good ecosystem. 2110 is the replacement for SDI. It's much more flexible, much more upgradable, can facilitate remote working as well, so it's really the future.
The ST2110 network that we have here is highly configurable, and we utilise Video iPath for controlling the network itself. Also on the network we have eMerge and Virtuoso. eMerge is the switch infrastructure that we have for handling the fibre network, and Virtuoso allows us to convert some of the formats, transcoding and so forth within Virtuoso. That's important for an R&D facility moving forward. The MLS X1 switcher, Megahertz highly recommended the switcher to us. It's a very good tool for the production work we're doing at the moment. For mainstream cinematography cameras, Sony Venice 2 was the camera of choice. We knew it to be reliable, and it's been a particularly good camera for utilising on our virtual production stage.
Sony's been a great partner on delivering some of our training courses, thinking about where the skills gap is that the industry is suffering from and what we can do to either retrain, reskill, upskill our local sector. Within the MyWorld programme, we're very passionate about equality, diversity and inclusion, and so a lot of our training that we've been offering has been targeting underrepresented groups. We can create a workforce for the future that really is diverse.
Sony and the Nevion infrastructure we put in here has enabled us to create a world-class facility. So if you've been taught here, you can go back out into industry and perform to the highest possible standards.
We've got a really good relationship with Sony, so whenever we've had any questions, any problems, needed support, they've always been there to support us. Really state-of-the-art project, really proud of it.
It's super exciting to be open and operating now. When you see the building being used by students, by businesses, by researchers, you see projects come to life and be finished, it's really gratifying. The partnership with Sony and Megahertz has really been core to making this building what it is, a global centre of excellence for creative technology. It's the ability to look into the future and to be able to plan and adapt as the tech market evolves. Sony have been a fantastic partner, and we can't wait to see what kind of innovations MyWorld can be part of next.